Number four, I had a unique situation with a person who was here on a TN and was marrying a diplomat, and they wanted to say, okay, like get diplomat status, and then they were like, how does work permit work? I'm like, oh, you just file an I-765 and that works. And when I was reviewing the I-765 EAD instructions, and I'm pulling it up now, I thought it was going to be a basic filing because he needed to get work authorization fast. So I said, okay, file the I-765 with USCIS, and then we'll do an expedite request and say whatever the need is. But when I was looking over the instructions, like, oh, I got to take that guidance back. That was incorrect. Let's see, Diplomat. So when you're going to do an EAD for these categories eligible for dependent employees of diplomatic missions, international organizations, or NATO, let's see, dependent A1 or A2 foreign government officials. So essentially, the one I was doing, C1 category, it says submit form I-765 with form I-566 interagency record of request. Blah blah blah. Let's see. So okay, so you have to send those forms to the Department of State. Okay, through your diplomatic mission to the Department of State, DOS will forward all favorably endorsed applications directly to USCIS for adjudication. So you don't file the I-765 for these dependents of A1, A2, like, diplomat spouse, C1 EAD categories. You have to send them through your diplomatic mission to DOS, Department of State, and then DOS takes it from there. And then they, if they favorably endorse it, they give it to USCIS, which is a completely different process than I'm used to. But also when it comes to expediting it, then you have to, deal with the diplomatic mission getting things done in time, and the Department of State. I guess maybe do an expedite request to DOS through a congressperson, maybe, and then they move to USCIS. So I've never done it, and in this case, didn't move forward. But if you're trying to expedite this kind of case, you have more issues than just calling USCIS or asking Emma for an expedite. You got to deal with other agencies, which is always fun. So that's something to be mindful of. If you run into something like this, give good guidance.